Good morning, everyone. A very good morning from the team at the Shivanand Desai Center. I am Dr. Harshal Gadhikar. We had a wonderful day yesterday, wonderful lectures by our guest faculty, as well as some of the beautiful cases demonstrated from our center here. So, a quick recap. We had 4 cases done yesterday. The endocytoscopy beautifully demonstrated by Mohan, the gastric EMR by Dr. Gaurav, and the duodenal EMR by Zahir, and of course the elegantly done arms by Dr. Maidev. So all the patients are doing well. The morning rounds have been informed, and the patients are absolutely stable and doing well. Uh, as far as the registrations go, we had 2000 plus registrations yesterday, and at the best time we had 1100 delegates logged in. So it was indeed an absolutely great achievement, and we are very excited about today as well. So now we start off the proceedings for today. Before that, I must thank all our moderators, all our faculty who have helped us and who are with us in our excitement in bringing the show to you. And of course, the delegates who are there throughout the day and giving us feedbacks and asking questions. So we have a feast of cases today as well. We hope to be able to finish and show all the cases to you. And we are raring to go at our end. I'm sure you are too. So with that, I hand over the proceedings to the MOC, Dr. Date, and he can start the proceedings in the hall. Dr. Date, please.